Hi, I have absolutely no idea what today's video is going to be about. Whatever the title said, that's what it is. I made something today. That's what today's video is going to be about. Hey, be sure to stick around to the end because I got a package in the mail. I'm going to open it up at the end of this video. I made this. I got home from work about 2 hours earlier than I expected to. And it's beautiful. Chewy says, let's get outside, Mama. It's beautiful. It is 63 degrees Fahrenheit. And by Thursday, we are expected to be back down below, not below zero, but below freezing temperatures, freezing rain, high of 36. Crazy winter weather is coming back. So I'm gonna take advantage of this nice spring-like day. I'm going to ignore the piles of laundry on my table. I'm going to ignore the dishes in the sink ready to be washed up. I'm going to ignore the paperwork that I could be doing in the office because I need to be out here in this weather. Let's get to it. Let's see what we can find to do. It's so nice out here. I cannot believe this. I don't think I'm gonna need this hoodie. This is my new hoodie. I got it from, you know, one of those stores that not everybody likes, but it is the biggest employer in our town. It's quite comfortable. My husband thinks I have a hoodie problem. I don't think I have that many. It's not a problem. Souvenir I got in St. Louis. I flew out to visit my parents right when Dad was diagnosed. I got this. It has memories. It holds memories because it has a stain on it from when I stained our front porch. It's a memento. Keep. Clearance. Christmas gift. Souvenir from our road trip when we stayed with Raquel and Whitey in Colorado. Clearance rack.
You got that one this week.
I did. It's looking sharp, isn't it? This is from Teespring. These are surprisingly comfortable. I love this hoodie and I wear it all the time. So lots of room to layer with this one also.
You could put a hoodie inside of a hoodie inside of a hoodie with all those layers.
Ooh, I might try that. That sounds actually kind of really fun.
Alright, how many hoodies can she put on? Post your guess in the comments below now. No cheating. There's one.
What kills me, the armpits are going to get tighter and tighter the more layers I get on.
There's number 2.
Can't do anything.
Alright, so what was that? 7?
6.
6?
That's it. I can't get any more on. The answer is 6. 6 hoodies. I can't hear it either. I've got like 6 hoods on. Yeah, I'm kind of hearing like that. If you want to see more nonsense like this, hit that subscribe button down below. When Chris and I get together, you never know what's going to happen. They're the perfect in-between weather jacket, right? So let's talk about the garden. I have not even ordered seeds yet. I haven't even ordered chicks yet. I am really behind the times this spring. I don't even know what time it is to plant stuff in here. I haven't prepped any beds. I haven't planned out the garden other than I've picked a new design. Nothing. Nothing. I got nothing going on over there. All right, I want to show you a couple other things that I'm working on. This is my beehive that I thought swarmed. It's a massive activity. What I can't tell is, are they going in and robbing honey, or do I still have a live colony in there? I don't have enough time to get in there today though. Soon that's what I need to do. But I don't think that's what I can do today. This was my greenhouse until the wind shredded it. I'm gonna cover it with tarps and turn it into my rabbitry. I do have one slight problem. Right here is the path where water flows down our driveway and around the house, right through the middle of where it's setting now. So before I can turn it into the rabbitry, I have to move it. That's not a one-person job. I can move it pretty easily with 2 or 3 other people to help, but I can't do it on my own. So this project has got to wait for another day. This is where my greenhouse was and probably where the rabbitry is going to be. I had also considered putting my compost bins right here because I had that hotbed going last year. So there's probably already some good compost started over there. I got to decide, guys. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. It's something I need to work out today. Do me a favor, would you hit that subscribe button? Hit that notification bell so you'll know every time a new video comes out. I'm really inching up there close to 5,000 subs. That'd be fun to hit that when this video comes out. This is a stack of 100 pallets. That's awesome. Most of them are going to be used on my garden for fencing. But right now I think I'm going to pick out 3 to 5 to do a compost bin. So I want to get not the worst rotted ones, but not the best ones that I want for the fence. So some moderately good shaped pallets, and then figure out where am I going to put that compost bin. I don't know how smelly it's going to be. How much is it going to attract bugs that I don't want in the garden? Will it attract them out of the garden or will it attract them to the garden? Does it need to be farther away from my garden than like 5 or 10 feet? I don't know these things. I'm a very novice gardener. So would you guys help me out in the comments? Let me know. How close to the garden do you want the compost bin? And I'm gonna go ahead and put it here on the east end. I think I've decided that's probably the best place for it, but I can move it later. I can move it next year if I need to. Let me know, what is the best practice? The camera memory got filled up before I got to the part where I screwed the compost bin together. That back panel, I screwed it into the 2 side panels so it'd be nice and sturdy. Sorry I didn't get that on film, but we're gonna come back and see the finished project in a second. But right now I wanted to show you, I got a package. Do you wanna know what's in here? A couple weeks ago, I was a guest on 2 Family Homesteads Monday Night Live, and afterwards they sent me this package. Let's open it and see what's inside. If you don't watch 2 Family Homestead, I'm going to leave a link right here to the interview that I did with them, and I will also put a link to their channel in the description. On Monday nights, they do interviews with other homesteading channels. They're lots of fun. On Tuesdays, they do technical help with editing and things like that. And on Thursdays, they do small channel shoutouts. Ooh, I'm glad I cut right through that plastic bag. Oh my goodness, lots of good stuff. All kinds of seeds. I love it. Lovely letter, thank you. Let's take a look, see what we've got here. So these are the Egyptian walking onions, pole beans, golden beets. I love beets. I've never had yellow beets. That'll be fun to try. Ooh, lemon squash, Swiss chard, purple carrots, and blacktail mountain watermelons. Strawberries. Oh, Chris is gonna be thrilled. He loves strawberries. So does Carter. Banana peppers and Chinese red meat radish. These look really interesting. This is gonna add such a nice variety to my garden this year. Thank you so much, Sherry. Make sure that you go over and check out their channel when this is over. But now let's go take a look at my finished compost bin. I made this. If you wanna see more videos of me doing DIY projects, taking care of animals, working in the garden, be sure and hit that subscribe button right now. I moved my family from the city to the farm. If I can do this, you can do this. We'll see you next time the rooster crows. I might need help. Will you help me?
No, we're gonna watch the struggle.
Okay. This is the tough one. It's the pullover. It's the only pullover. Babe, I really don't think I can do this.
Nope, you gotta do it.
I don't think I can get out of it.
Well,
Oh, good. Yeah, okay, I got one arm out. I can certainly do the rest.